Hello students, now we will learn about different terms like hypogynous, epigynous and perigynous types of flowers. These flowers are termed basing on arrangement of floral parts like petals, sepals, androecium, gynoecium on the thalamus. So, based on attachment of floral parts on thalamus, this thalamus is also termed as, this is thalamus. Thalamus also termed as a receptacle. Sometimes it is also used with the term torus. So based on attachment of floral parts on the thalamus, there are three different types of flowers. First one, hypogynous flowers. Second one, epigynous flowers. Third one, perigynous flowers. Here, commonly we can see the term like gynous, here, here and here. It means that if the floral parts are arranged either above the gynoecium or below the gynoecium or on the peripheral side of the gynoecium, terms are given based on position of the floral parts according to the gynoecium position. So first one we'll start with hypogynous. Hypogynous flowers. If all the floral parts are below the gynoecium, then such flowers are said to be hypogynous flowers. For suppose, take the pedicel, thalamus. On the thalamus we see gynoecium like this. Means gynoecium is on the upper part. If stamen arises below the gynoecium, petal arises below the gynoecium, sepal's position is below the gynoecium. So this is gynoecium, female reproductive part or structure. So here we can see all the remaining floral parts, stamen, petal, sepal are below the gynoecium. Such flowers are said as hypogynous flowers. If all the floral parts are located below the gynoecium, such flowers are hypogynous flowers. Here examples are very important. Snapdragon, tomato, tulips, China rose, brinjal, mustard, petunia, datura, allium cepa. That is onion. So here in case of hypogynous flowers, all examples are very much important. Here we are seeing one important term, that is this gynoecium part is above all the other remaining floral parts. So we can say here ovary is superior. Ovary is superior. Ovary is above, means ovary is present in the gynoecium base part. It is above all the floral parts. So we are telling ovary is superior in case of hypogynous flowers. We represent this one like, we will write capital T. We will write one line at the base part. While studying about families, different families. After this chapter, we will write the symbols. How do we write superior in ovary, inferior ovary, etc. Here gynoecium is at the topmost position. So we are writing a line at the base. It indicates that gynoecium is superior. So, second one, epigynous flowers. It means that if this is the pedicel, thalamus, so here thalamus develops somewhat cup-like in some flowers. So if thalamus is developed like this, ovary will be developing from the innermost base of the thalamus. Like this. So this is ovary. And this is thalamus. If you see position of stamen, all etc. Stamen is raised above the gynoecium. Even petal also raised above the gynoecium. Sepal's position is also above the gynoecium. Three floral parts like stamen, petals and sepals. So this is sepal, petal, stamen. All are located above the gynoecium position. So we are telling such types of flowers as epigynous. Epi means above the gynoecium. Here all floral parts are above gynoecium. Since all are above the gynoecium, ovary position is at the below. We are telling ovary is inferior. So we will write capital G and we will indicate its position at below the line like this. It indicates gynoecium is below. Remaining floral parts are above. So if you write examples under epigynous flowers, guava, apple, sunflower, cucumbers or cucurbitaceae. Next, daffodils. In case of sunflower, there are two types of flowers, ray florets and disc florets. Here we also can write tridax. In case of ray florets, condition is zygomorphic and epigynous. These are MCQs, very important to learn. Disc florets are actinomorphic, zygomorphic equal to bilateral symmetry, actinomorphic equal to radial symmetry type of flowers, and epigynous. Ray florets also called as neuter flowers, also called neuter flowers. So these are some points regarding epigynous. These daffodils are read under hypanthodium inflorescence. That we will see when we are reading about types of inflorescence. Next one, perigynous. Perigynous means all the other stamen, calyx, sepals and petals are located on either side of gynoecium. If we go for diagrammatic representation, if this is a pedicel, thalamus. Now thalamus will be somewhat position. Gynoecium will be, ovary part of the gynoecium will be little bit larger, like this. Gynoecium will be like this, and this will be the thalamus. Now floral parts, if we consider this one as half part of the gynoecium, then we can write here stamen, sepals and petals. This is not at the bottom, not at the top region, at half part on either side of gynoecium. So we will label this one thalamus, gynoecium. This is stamen, petal and sepals. We write some of the points here. Stamen, petals and sepals, floral parts. Sepals, if are located on peripheral to gynoecium, ovary of gynoecium. To gynoecium we will write gynoecium. Then such types of flowers are said as perigynous flowers. Such flowers are perigynous. Examples are very easy to remember: roses and plums. So, example: rose, plums, peaches. These are actually previous year MCQs also. All these examples are very much important to remember.